she could be. She brought the world together through modern technology. Her owlets made us laugh and cry and turn lives upside down. But the lesson that we surely learned is to care about the world around. Molly, Molly, we watch you from afar. Molly, Molly, how beautiful you are. Molly was a common barn owl, all speckled and golden brown. Her antics with old legs McGee's and laughs around the town. McGee worked hard to feed their brood, and Molly was pleased, it's true. And the owlets quickly fattened up, and then one day they flew. Molly, Molly, and McGee, we so love to see you proud and free. Thank you, Molly, Max, Patterson, Austin, Wesley, Molly, Molly, Donna, Carlos, Molly, and McGee. Oh, Molly was a common barn owl, as common as she could be. But she brought the world together through modern technology. Outlets made us laugh and cry and turn lives upside down. But the lesson that we surely learned is to care about the world around. But the lesson that we surely learned